Hello, I'm Aaron Lee with Lee Kayak Fishing. Thanks for watching my short. Today I'm opening the XPS Ultimate Bait Box from Bass Pro. I've been curious about what is in this thing, and I guess we'll find out. All right. So actually there's a jerk bait, which that's pretty good stuff. It's got the XPS Logfather Junior EG worms, it looks like. That'll be fantastic. Oh, yes, I love these. The rockin' shads that you throw on a jig head or shaky head. XPS Speed minnows. Love these as well. Throwing them on jig. Got a walking bait. Gotta love the top water. A square bill crankbait. Bladed jig. I absolutely love the Z-Man bladed jigs. And this is the XPX version from Z-Man. Got a nice spinnerbait. And a swim jig. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.